this video I'll be showing you how you can convert a single page document or design in Photoshop into artboards. You know that whenever you're designing in Photoshop, you usually have this option when you need to create a new folder or a new document. You usually have this option and you have to click artboard to create artboards, and when you miss clicking the artboard, it will come like this instead of like this. So how do you convert this to artboards? Let's say you want to make different designs on the same document, similar designs that you want to have a direct overview over and contrast, compare, and get your findings or comparisons right and easily. You need artboards, right? But then you've created this. So how do you make artboards from your document? First of all, I would like to make a drag the ruler to create a guideline. So I'll drag a ruler from the top and create this line, and drag another one from here to create this line. If you don't have this ruler on your screen, press the button on your keyboard, Ctrl R, and it will appear. Press it again for it to disappear, or you go to view and you see rulers, that is Ctrl R. Then you press and hold the move tool and you see the artboard tool just underneath it. Then you can simply make sure that the height and width is 2500 by 2500 and the background is white. This should be 2500 because that is the image size of this particular document. That means if your document is different, your own size will have to correspond to that. And then we hold the shift button down, and from the top, from where the ruler is, you drag down to the bottom corner, and you will see that these guidelines have appeared. You drop, and then you have your artboard. So this is artboard 1. Now I'd like to make countdown from 6 down to 1, and you can now get rid of this. So clicking on the artboard area, I'll hold the Alt key down. Now the mouse has changed its icon. So holding Alt key down, I'll drag the artboard. I'll do that again just to make it 6, and then I can hold the 3 of them to have the other 6. So here we have our artboards, and then we can start changing it. Make sure that before you do this that you centralized the 6, okay, because you'll be changing it and it will be moving either from left or right if your alignment is not right. But if it is centralized, it is going to be changing rightly. So if you don't centralize it, this is how it's going to act. Let me just create something now. Let's say this is here, and of course it's in the center of the circle, right? But the text itself is not centralized, as you can see here. If I change it to maybe 10, you see it is going out of the circle. But this one that is centralized, if I change it to 10, it will balance itself, although it's kind of touching the edges, but it's more balanced than this one. So let me go back to how it was before, and 6 centralized. So now I can start changing the digits, and that is how you do it, converting a single page document to artboards. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you do watch these videos that are coming up now. Goodbye.